The new Volkswagen Atlas arrives with a clear message. It is not just an update, it feels like a reset. From the moment you see it, the changes are easy to notice, especially in how much more confident and refined the overall design looks compared to before. Up front, the new lighting signature immediately stands out. The double-stacked light emitting diode headlights, combined with a cleaner upper grille and a more sculpted hood, give the Atlas a stronger road presence. At night, the illuminated badge and dual light lines make it unmistakable, adding a premium touch that was not as pronounced in the previous model. Around the back, the design continues that same theme with a full-width taillight layout and dynamic turn signals that add a bit of motion and personality. From the side, the proportions feel more athletic without losing the practicality that made the Atlas popular in the first place. Sharp character lines, pronounced fenders, and available illuminated door handles all help elevate the look. Even small details like the new wheel designs and fresh color options, including Blackberry Sacramento Green and Sandstone, make a noticeable difference when you see the vehicle in person. Inside is where the biggest transformation really happens. The cabin feels more thought out, more modern, and honestly more premium than you would expect in this segment. A flowing dashboard design wraps around the driver, tying together the screen's vents and lighting into one clean layout. Moving the gear selector to the steering column opens up a large center console, which feels more practical for everyday use, especially for families. Material quality takes a step forward as well. Soft touch surfaces are everywhere. Real wood trim is now included across the lineup, and there are multiple seating options, including leatherette, Verena leather, and Napa leather. The interior also plays more with color, offering lighter tones, darker combinations, and even a deep wine option that gives the cabin a richer feel. Lighting inside the cabin adds another layer of customization. With up to 30 color options on higher trims, the ambient lighting flows across the dashboard and doors, creating a more relaxing environment. It is not just for looks either, as the system ties into audio and driving settings to create different moods depending on how you want the vehicle to feel. Technology is a big part of the upgrade. Most versions come with a 15-inch infotainment display, while the base model still gets a large 12.9-inch screen. Every Atlas includes a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, and a new control dial in the center console lets you adjust volume driving modes and interior settings quickly. Wireless charging has been improved, and there are multiple universal serial bus type C ports throughout the cabin, making it easier for everyone to stay connected. Comfort has also been improved across the board. The front seats now offer more adjustability, including better lumbar support, and higher trims even add massage functions. Rear passengers benefit from additional air vents and available ventilation, which is something families will appreciate on longer drives. Small upgrades like rear sunshades and improved interior lighting make everyday use just a bit easier. On the safety side, the Atlas continues to build on its strong foundation. A new center airbag increases protection, and the driver assistance system has been updated with improved semi-automated driving capability. Features like lane change, assist, and emergency assistance that can bring the vehicle to a safe stop add an extra layer of confidence behind the wheel. Under the hood, the updated 2.0-liter turbocharged engine produces 282 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. That is an increase over the previous version, and it is expected to be more efficient at the same time. The vehicle still offers an 8-speed automatic transmission with front-wheel drive as standard and all-wheel drive available. Towing capacity remains at 5,000 pounds, which keeps it competitive for families who need that extra capability. The Atlas continues to be built in the United States, specifically in Chattanooga, Tennessee, which highlights how important this model is to the brand. With both the standard Atlas and the Atlas Cross Sport making up a large portion of sales, this redesign feels like a key step forward. Overall, the Atlas feels more refined, more advanced, and more aligned with what buyers expect today. It keeps the space and usability people liked before, but adds the kind of design, technology, and comfort upgrades that make it feel like a much more complete package.